So functional programming is one of the many paradigms that exist in the programming world. It's just an approach you use to writing code essentially. So functional programming is characterized by having a declarative style. And what this means is you basically want to tell the program to do something and it should be able to do it. And another way of looking at this is that functional programming is more of a minimalistic approach to programming because it's quite simple logically to write programs. So as an example, if you're writing a program and you want to loop something for 5 times, then you would make a function like make loop, and then put 5, and then put whatever value you want, and then you would leave it just as this. So as you can see here, if we just think of this line specifically, then we're not really worried about the how. We're more just worried about the what. So in this case, we don't know exactly how this would be executed, but we know that we do want this operation to take place. Now, another factor to keep in mind is for functional programming, it should not be destructive. What this means is that if you have a function which can be characterized with this rectangle, so let's just label this 1, and then you have another function over here, let's label this 2, and let's say you're coding Java and you have the main function. So if you have any variables in this function over here, then it shouldn't impact any function, any methods, or any variables in this method. So if you have, for example, int x equals 5, then it shouldn't be changing anything here or here. Essentially, whatever operation this is performing should be performed because you're getting an input and you're returning an output. Nothing else should really be happening. If anything else does, then it's not a purely functional approach to programming.